Hey, Harley, you want to go part-time? Part-time? Huh? You want to go part-time? Come on, let's go. Part-time. And for those who don't understand, that is training style of leader dogs in Rochester, Michigan. They used to always suggest that you use the word part-time. It's just one of their words. You want to go part-time? She's learned it real quick. All right, let's go. There you go. Part-time. Yay. So much fun. She does like the backyard a lot. But she does have a favorite spot for you know what, as you can see. Crazy dog. Crazy dog. Yeah, this is one crazy fucking dog, man. What are you doing, you nut? She's fascinated with this bush too because creatures go in there in the corner. She likes them. Oh, you little bitch. You gotta remember, this dog's only 6 months old. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is. She's still a baby. She doesn't know a lot of shit. She's still stupid. And quick. God damn, this dog's fast. Come on. Oops, got my finger in the way. It's hard to catch this damn dog. Oops, too much. There we go. Come on, you gonna run? Run, you stupid bitch, run! Tire your ass out. Come on, run. No, don't jump up on me. Say hi to the public. They want to see you. They don't want to see me. They want to see Harley Dog. Harley Dog. Yes. There you go. All right, let's go inside. You look like a model. It's cold in Florida today, people. It is cold in Florida today. Woo! Oh, back inside? Yes, where it's warm. It's like 59 degrees out there. It's freezing. Have a good look. There's my finger again, damn it. I'll just cut them off. Who's using them? I pick my ass with my other hand anyway.